This is the LENOVO Tab M9, and today I will show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So to start, you will need to have the tablet itself and the packaging came in front of you. Then open the settings on your tablet, scroll them all the way down and enter the About Tablet category of settings. Then go for the model, and the model and hardware page should contain the serial number spec, and well, that is what we are looking for. Then take the box or the packaging that your device came in, and all the boxes should have the sticker that contains various specifications and certifications, whatever. But as you could have already guessed, the thing that we are particularly interested in is its serial number, or SN. So basically what you need to do is to compare the SN that you have at the packaging sticker and the one that you have on your settings, or at the settings of your tablet, and as long as those two correspond, which they do in my case, you can rest assured that you are indeed an owner of the original LENOVO tablet. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.